They once ruled the skies, the forests, and the oceans, but now they only exist in fossils. We uncover the rise and fall of the incredible creatures and explore whether science can give some of them a second chance. Arctodus. Arctodus, commonly known as the short-faced bear, is an extinct genus that roamed North America during the Pleistocene epoch, approximately 1.8 million to 11 years ago. This genus comprises two recognized species, Arctodus simus and the Arctodus pristinus. Arctodus simus is considered one of the largest terrestrial mammalian carnivores. Standing upright, it could reach heights of up to 4.3 meters. Bear had a robust body with long limbs, suggesting adaptations for running. Smilodon. Smilodon thrived during the Pleistocene epoch, approximately 2.5 million to 100 years ago, and its fossils have been unearthed across North and South America. Featured upper canines measuring up to 20 centimeters. Used for delivering precise, fetal bites to prey. Smilodon went extinct around 100, a combination of climate change, habitat loss, and the decline of large herbivorous prey. Human activities may have also contributed to their extinction. If you were inquiring about Smilodon, it's worth nothing that Smilodon is a fictional creature from the Chaotic franchise, depicted as a large blue, muscular beast with feline features. Sinosauropteryx. It was a small carnivorous theropod dinosaur that lived approximately 122 to 125 million years ago during the early Cretaceous period. Discovered in the Yixian Formation of northeastern China in 1996. It measured about 1.1 meters in length and primarily preyed on small animals, including mammals and lizards. The discovery of that animal has been pivotal in understanding feather evolution and the dinosaur-bird connection. Zanzibar leopard. Initially described as a distinct subspecies in 1932, the Zanzibar leopard was later reclassified under the African leopard. By the middle 1990s, the Zanzibar leopard was considered extinct. Attempts to develop conservation programs were abandoned due to the presumed extinction and the lack of concrete evidence of their existence. In 2018, a leopard was recorded on Unguja Island by a camera trap during the filming of the animal. This footage renewed hopes for the survival of the Zanzibar leopard, though some experts remain skeptical about its authenticity and suggest the need for DNA evidence to confirm the leopard's identity. Woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth was a species of mammoth that roamed the earth during the Pleistocene epoch, coexisting with the early humans. They had a hump of fat behind their heads for energy storage and smaller ears, compared to modern elephants, reducing heat loss. Approximately 10,000 years ago, the population of woolly mammoth began to decline, likely due to a combination of climate change and overhunting by humans. While most populations vanished, small groups survived on isolated islands until about 4,000 years ago. Titanoboa inhabited the tropical rainforests of present-day Colombia approximately 58 to 60 years ago. Titanoboa reached length of up to 15 meters and weight around 1,135 kilograms. Its size suggests it was the top predator in the ecosystem, likely preying on large vertebrates, including giant turtles and crocodiles. Spix macaw. Spix macaw is a parrot native to Brazil. It's characterized by bright blue plumage and is the sole member of the genus Cyanopsida. Historically, Spix macaw inhabited the riparian Cariberia woodlands along the Rio São Francisco in Brazil's northeastern region. These birds relied heavily on the Cariberia tree for nesting, feeding, and roosting. Their diet primarily consisted of seeds and nuts from these trees and various shrubs in the Caatinga dry forest. By the early 1980s, Spix macaw was believed to be extinct in the wild. However, a male was discovered in 1990. but after his disappearance in 2000 the species was again considered extinction in the wild. Conservationists initiated captive breeding programs, and as of June 2022, a group of its spix macaws was successfully reintroduced into their natural habitat. Northern white rhinoceros. As March 2025, only 2 northern white rhinos remain, Najin and Fatu. The last male Sudan passed away on March 19, 2018. The primary cause of their decline has been extensive poaching for decline horns, driven by demand in illegal markets. As of January 2024, approximately 30 embryos have been successfully created and are preserved in laboratories in Berlin, Germany and Cremona, Italy. Plans are underway to implant these embryos into southern white rhino surrogates, as neither Najin nor Fatu can carry a pregnancy to term. Bear dog, Amphiconida commonly known as bear dogs, that inhabited North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa from the Middle Eocene to the Pleistocene apex, approximately 46.2 to 1.8 million years ago. These creatures exhibited physical characteristics reminiscent of both bears and dogs, leading to their colloquial name. Some species reaching length of up to 2.5 meters and weights over 550 kilograms. His eagle. His eagle was a colossal bird of prey native to New Zealand's South Island, renowned as the largest eagle species ever recorded, weighing between 10 to 18 kilograms. It significantly surpassed the size of contemporary eagles. The extinction of his eagle occurred around 1445 AD. Died in an Amsterdam zoo in 1883. Tasmanian tiger, also known as the thylacine. This striped marsupial was once the predator of Australia and Tasmania, persecuted by farmers and wiped out by hunting. The last confirmed thylacine died in captivity in 1936. However, with recent breakthroughs in genome sequencing, some scientists believe it could walk the Earth again within a decade. Recent advancements in genetic research have sparked initiatives to revive the thylacine. In 2021, Colossal Biosciences, a de-extinction company, announced plans to resurrect this species. By 2024, scientists in Melbourne achieved a significant breakthrough by sequencing one of the most complete thylacine genomes to date. This comprehensive genetic blueprint enhances the feasibility of de-extinction, with projections suggesting the potential birth of a thylacine within 3 years and possible reintroduction into the wild within a decade. Takahe. The takahe is a large flightless bird endemic to New Zealand. It is the largest living member of the rail family. The species was once thought extinct but has since been rediscovered and is the focus of ongoing conservation efforts. It was first described in 1848 by anatomist Richard Owen, based on fossil bones from the North Island. Initially believed to be extinct, the bird was later found alive in the South Island, leading to the identification of 2 distinct species, the North Island takahe, now extinct, and the South Island takahe. The South Island takahe was presumed extinct until its rediscovery in 1948. Quagga. Once found in South Africa, the quagga was a unique subspecies of plain zebra, with stripes only on its front half. Hunted to extinction in the 19th century, the last quagga died in 1883. Today, scientists are attempting to selectively breed zebras to bring back its appearance. By the late 19th century, the quagga faced extinction due to excessive hunting and habitat loss. The last known wild individual was killed in the 1870s. Beji. The beji, often referred to as the Chinese river dolphin or Yangtze River dolphin, was a freshwater dolphin species native to exclusively to China's Yangtze River, renowned for its pale blue-gray coloration and elongated, slightly upturned beak. The beji was affectionately called the goddess of the Yangtze. symbolizing peace and prosperity in local folklore. Throughout the latter half of the 20th century, the Beji population experienced a sharp decline, primarily due to industrialization, increased use of the Yangtze River for transportation, fishing, and hydroelectricity lead to habitat degradation. If you enjoy watching these kind of videos, push the like and subscribe button.